Hi guys, so we can see the where the crude oil and gold and natural gas will be the momentum has been done for next week. Okay guys, right now it is continuously taking here support, you can see here. Okay guys, so right now what I'm saying is here is this is the one of the trend line. Okay guys, just a second guys. Okay guys, will be the one of the trend line. If this will break, then you can expect the bigger momentum also in the crude oil. So right now what we expect is that it came downside like this, something happened, then it gives us breakout. Then our first target will be here guys, second, third target guys. Okay guys, you can further also go, you can join my telegram channel guys. I will give link in the description, there you can join. So I will give you the more target also and gives you the some of the more analysis also. Okay guys, so in downside also we can discuss, if it came downside and take resistance, then you can definitely go for your first target. This will be the second, third, this will be the fourth target guys, and this will be the final fifth target. Okay guys, this is the bigger momentum will come. If this will consolidate and then break, it will give us very big momentum. These are the three target, but it can reach more up till 120 also it can be reached. Okay guys, 120 it can also reach. So it has to consolidate only. Okay guys, if it doesn't consolidate, it breaks, then takes support somewhere here, then also it make a bigger momentum. Okay guys, you have to see that I have also made an analysis video, please go and check out. I have there explain you all the things. So we can move on. And natural gas. Okay guys, at natural gas, here only we have got very nice trade guys. If you have captured this, you have got very big trades. Okay guys, so right now what we have to discuss, is that this is the one of the major resistance area for us right now. Okay guys, I'm not telling that it doesn't go, it will upside momentum, but right now it is major resistance area. Once it came and take resistance guys, first time. So our first immediate target would be here guys, second immediate target, this will be the third immediate target, this will be the our fourth immediate target guys. Okay guys, and our fifth target also we can see. Okay guys, but you know that what happened is that in Russia and Ukraine war, so that's why also fluctuate. But we have to see the chart will tell you everything, buyer and seller. Okay guys, the news came also, then also chart will tell you so much thing. Okay guys, so don't wait for news or something. You have to, you know that your stop loss is very small and your risk to reward is at least 1:3 or 1:7, like that. So why you have to worry about it? Okay guys, if you know the news also, then your stop loss is hit, then you can continue and take the till news, whatever you think, like that. Okay guys, if it continuously coming, then you have to see that the price action. Okay guys, after the price action only you have to buy. Okay guys, in downside, if in upside momentum has been done, what happen if once again take support, then our first target, this will be the second, you can go third and fourth target. Okay guys, I'm not bullish in this because of this is almost reached the all-time high natural gas. You can see here, I will show you in one weekly chart. You can see here, this is the one-sided momentum has been done, and daily also I will show you, just a second. You can see here. Okay guys, right now this is at all-time high, so that's why I am not thinking that it will break, but chances are very high that it may be break. Okay guys, that is the probability, but we have to see that its probability is that mostly is that it has to came downside and gives us in downside targets. Okay guys, otherwise it may be consolidated, because this is not consolidated since 4 to 5 weeks, so it has to give us a consolidation phase also, so that is pending. So it may be happen that it may be consolidate or break, then you can go for this upside momentum and downside momentum. Okay guys, now we can go for gold. you can see that gold analysis what we have done exactly from here on this very few point only turn around and gives us very big momentum also. Okay guys, right now this will be the our resistance area. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that this is the one of the trend line what I'm seeing. Okay guys, it's here something like this is the trend line is going on. So what you have to do is that if it consolidates something like this and take support, you have to buy here and you have to keep your SL accordingly up till here. Okay guys, this will be the your SL 1874.50 something. Okay guys, and also it may be take here support, so accordingly you have to take it. Okay guys, after it will break your first target, second, third. Okay guys, these are the three target. In upside you can go further also. I will update in Telegram channel also if I'm seeing something good in charts. Okay guys, if it will break, what happened? If it will break, take resistance or first target, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the our four target in downside, and upside momentum is these three. You can join my Telegram channel. There I will update this chart if any gap down, gap up or something news being. We can see the analysis of coffee. Okay guys, right now you can see that in the coffee it is act as a resistance. So if once again it will act as a resistance, our first target will be here guys, and second target will be somewhere here, third target and our fourth target. Okay guys, if it breaks upside and gives us positive momentum, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second, this will be the third and this will be the fourth. Okay guys, this is the rule what I follow. Because of second target only we can see the reversible. So I book my 70 to 80%, and I will tell you also that you can also book your 70 to 80% profit at second to third only guys, so you can get very nice targets. So hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, share with your friends and families guys. Thank you.